If you love high-performance machines, open track days, and adrenaline-fueled driving, then you already know that NOLA Motorsports Park is one of the best tracks in the country for pushing your car or bike to the limit. But what's in store for 2025? Whether you're a seasoned racer, a weekend warrior, or just someone looking to experience one of the best circuits in America, this upcoming season is packed with exciting upgrades, new events, and serious competition. First, let's talk about the track itself. Located just outside New Orleans, Louisiana, NOLA Motorsports Park is a 2.75-mile, 16-turn masterpiece, built to challenge drivers while keeping things safe and accessible for all skill levels. But in 2025, they're making big improvements to make the experience even better. Rumor has it that track officials are working on new resurfacing projects in key sections, improving runoff areas, and making some adjustments to the paddock space to accommodate larger events. Now, what about the track day schedule? One of the biggest draws to NOLA Motorsports Park is its open track days, where drivers can bring their own cars or motorcycles to experience the full power of an unrestricted racetrack. This year, we're seeing an increase in track day availability, with more weekend slots, exclusive VIP sessions, and nighttime track events. If you've ever dreamed of racing under the lights, 2025 might be your chance. But that's not all. NOLA Motorsports is bringing more national-level racing action to the park. The Grid Life Track Battle Series is rumored to be adding a stop at NOLA, which means grassroots racers will get the chance to compete in a time attack format against some of the best in the country. Plus, expect to see SCCA, NASA, and possibly a new endurance racing series making its way to the circuit. If you've got the skills and the machine, this is the year to prove it. Let's not forget about motorcycles. Two-wheeled enthusiasts have been flocking to NOLA for years, and in 2025, the track is looking to expand its motorcycle track day programs. With more riders getting into sport bike racing, track schools, and high-performance riding, we might see some big-name instructors and Moto America pros dropping in for training sessions. If you're looking to sharpen your skills on a fast, technical circuit, NOLA is a perfect place to do it. One of the hottest topics in the motorsports world right now is the rise of EV performance cars on track. With Tesla Plaids, Porsche Taycans, and even track-prepped Rivians setting records, it's only a matter of time before we see dedicated EV track days at NOLA. Some say that EVs take the soul out of racing, while others believe they represent the future of motorsports. Could we see a sub-2-minute lap from an EV in 2025? Now let's talk about the racing community and the fans. If you're a driver, this season is the best opportunity to get involved, whether it's open track days, amateur racing leagues, or just spectating some of the fastest cars and bikes on the planet. For fans, expect to see bigger events, live streaming options, and more behind-the-scenes access to drivers, builds, and race teams. So what do you think? Will 2025 be the year that NOLA Motorsports Park sees new track records, bigger events, and the rise of electric performance cars on track? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates on NOLA's biggest season yet.